This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Denton. Gorgeous, updated Castleton home with view of lake. Upgrades include brand new roof, installed June 24, 2020, new kitchen floors, new quartz counters, new backsplash, updated stainless steel appliances, touchless faucet, cabinets with pull-out drawers, gas log fireplace, new powder room, newer ceiling fans and light fixtures. Security system, smart thermostat and irrigation system convey. For more information, review the details below.